Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A bagel also has to be boiled before it is baked. Boiling is what gives bagels their characteristic hard, chewy exteriors. Brushing the unbaked dough rings with water before baking them will not accomplish the same thing, and neither will steaming. 24 April 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Skipping the boiling step makes a regular bread. It loses that characteristic bagel texture and isn't cooked as well. Boiling sets bagels apart. When boiling the bagels, the starches in the flour of the dough gelatinize. 29 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To achieve that smooth, stretchy texture necessary for your bagel shaping, mix your dough using an electric mixer with a hook attachment at low speed. Think 3 and 3. 3 minutes of mixing on the lowest speed, then 3 minutes on the second to lowest speed. 5 October 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Poaching liquid. 2 to 3 quarts. 64 to 96 ounces. 181 to 272 grams. Water. 1½ tablespoons. 1 ounce. 28.5 grams. Barley malt syrup or honey, optional. 1 tablespoon. 0.5 ounces. 14 grams. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon. 0.25 ounces. 7 grams. Salt. Or 1½ teaspoons coarse kosher salt.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bagels, according to diet culture, they're full of bad carbs and empty calories. They're stripped of nutrients. All those carbs are fattening. All that bread will turn to glue in your intestines. 17 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.